You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of these islands, or it's an island chain in Alaska. If you want to learn more names from Alaska, stay tuned. Pronounced. There are two different pronunciations, but let's start with the American pronunciation, since Alaska is part of the US. Aleutian, alright, that's how it's pronounced in Alaska, and in the US, Aleutian. Now, in British English, it can be pronounced Aleutian, alright. Aleutian, that's British English standard UK pronunciation, but locally, it's the Aleutian Islands, or island chain of Aleutian. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.